Kahit nandyan o wala yung impeachment, wala na talagang investor confidence dito sa ating bayan.
Follow-up question. The Makati Business Club and other business groups are urging the Senate to continue your impeachment trial, to convene your impeachment trial. Sabi nila, it will show accountability, it will boost investor confidence. Your response to that call of the business sector?
Kahit nandyan o wala yung impeachment, wala na talagang investor confidence dito sa ating bayan. Kung nakikita nyo, bagsak ang foreign direct investment sa ating bayan, no? Kaya wag nila ako gawing rason kung bakit pangit ang takbo ng ating ekonomiya ngayon sa ating bayan. At saka, this is not accountability because impeachment, dalawa lang yung penalties dyan. Removal from office, tsaka perpetual disqualification from government service. Walang penalties dyan dahil walang kaso dyan. Ang impeachment ay removal process ng isang impeachable officers. Kung gusto talaga nila ng accountability, ay mag-file ng mga kaso dyan sa mga korte.